Alright, buddy, these are artillery shells. Where these work, you put them in the cannon, you take one of these off, you unravel it like this, it goes down in that cannon. Let's see here. Alright, so you put it, goes the way it goes is you go like this, you light it from the top like that. Okay, Joe, light this artillery shell. See, light it on top of that cannon right here. See? Okay, light it right there. Don't let it fall. Okay. That'll be an easy light, Joe. Go ahead, man. This is what you see at the actual fireworks show. Well.
Go ahead. Dennis. This is Joe. Oh, I didn't call nobody.
You didn't call my phone.
Oh, this is Mike. Oh, well, I didn't want anything. They probably